A battery charger is an essential piece of equipment for anyone who relies on cordless power tools. Whether you're a professional contractor, a garage mechanic, or a serious DIY enthusiast. Designed to restore energy efficiently and safely, these chargers use advanced circuitry and smart technology to deliver the right amount of power to each battery type, whether it's lithium-ion, NIM, or NIT. Many modern chargers feature intelligent diagnostic systems that automatically detect battery health, adjust voltage and current accordingly, and prevent issues like overcharging, overheating, or short-circuiting. This ensures that your battery not only charges faster, but also lasts longer. Some high-end models come equipped with LED or digital indicators to show charging status, faults, and battery condition in real time, keeping you informed and in control at every step. Durability and compatibility are key features in a reliable battery charger. Heavy-duty chargers are built with rugged, impact-resistant casings to withstand tough job site conditions, and often feature reinforced plugs, vents for thermal regulation, and wall-mounting options for workspace flexibility. Universal or brand-specific multi-port designs allow users to charge multiple battery types or sizes simultaneously, perfect for workshops with a range of cordless tools. With fast charging modes, energy-saving features, and intelligent safety mechanisms, a top-quality battery charger not only improves workflow, but also safeguards your investment in tools and batteries. Transforms charging from a passive weight into an efficient, proactive part of your project strategy, because when your tools are powered, your productivity stays unstoppable.